how to generate traffic using SEO. The hardest part of any online business is to actually drive traffic to your website. But fortunately, there have been many things designed to help make that job easier for you, one of which is search engine optimization, or SEO. The concept of SEO was first developed with the purpose of helping search engines bring out content most relevant to a search on the first page based on keywords. This means that you need to make your content flow naturally while still keeping your keyword present here and there. In most cases, a proper SEO ranking results from multiple factors being put together, meaning that you need to put a keyword in as many different places as you can, including the titles, subtitles, image descriptions, meta tags, and headline tags. If you can, make sure the keywords you plan on using will be present in your domain name, or at least in your address bar, as it will not only help you gain rankings on search engines, but it will also help people identify what your website is about very quickly and easily. You should also look into increasing your keyword variety by taking various synonyms of your keyword and running them through a keyword tool. Chances are you'll find a variety of keywords which give you a good amount of searches when used together on the same page. Another way of adding some variety to your on-page SEO factors is by adding pictures and videos alongside your content, all while using your selected keywords in their title and descriptions. Not only will this be more popular with real people, but it will provide your website with more relevance in the eyes of the search engines. All in all, these are the main on-page SEO factors that you should be working on, as they really can improve your website standing in every search engine, driving natural traffic to your business.